channel. Today's video 15 step of to on make money online with an Amazon affiliate. Once of the easiest and faster way create edit estimate of revenue from online sales and target an Amazon affiliate website along a more the expect to the rules some affiliate event earn 65 income relative of your dream a full time online business you are monetized in service different ways will average person can earn a few hundreds to maybe a corrupt target dollar said Brenti an internet e-commerce expert and post a big leave a ph building on your site is low cost requirement very little effort and most cases only take a day to step up launching a affiliate site however just the 5 steps changing and attempt the right traffic that will turn into product sales once a customer clicks target to Amazon. The best results come from choosing a right niche. Don't not don't do what every is thus factor the these method to increase your odds of successful. First number learn basic HTML learning a text markup language HTML to create website page, web page and application is last completed then it was 10 to 15 years ago. Website platform like WordPress, Wix or really we have simple template that requirement only push a button and activate website but you instead need to now and into interest imaging create high links and farm text. If you unfragment this HTML and basic concept from manager a website time to learn it will be worth only and long run. Second number pick up your niche anything that sold on Amazon such as electronics, books, music, customers and kitchen appliances and can parts you are incredibly referred for sales commission however low track item like book will yet only 10 cents on a sale become basic commission range from 1% to 5% according these who are more successful in effective purchase marketing with higher value to buyers or are engaged in selling higher tech item on Amazon he said starts product line with miss customer demand that you enjoy or have some expert in the but source nice to these niche could be fund from your city life hiding great music for line tennis book writing any other from client regulars of arts and creative recognition such breaking of poetry. Step 3 step set up your web hosted. Amazon affiliate can pay next to nothing to web hosting service for example Wix offer a free basic blogger service. Fullweb.com start its $7.99 monthly is January 2021. Reason like online business guide have a list offered web hosting service. Some requirement a small monthly free with unlimited domain name, which many several sites value niche of some host page. First number, choose your domain name. If you are learning personal brand, other expert later building a following using your name and domain custom and easy among YouTube, Twitter and Instagram. If need other parts to give the website name that refers the niche, such as my best scanner product, my favorite exploded to some made from make the name keyword reach not clever. That's about what the average person made enter into search engine to find your website. Be search to check your name agent other sites already in the market. 5 number, register your domain name. Register your domain name is not costly from one or two sites, but it can add up to from 10 to 20 niche sites. Save by choosing a lost provide such site ground or GoDaddy. We also one and one also now is only we start low and estimate $1 from first year with increments increase your supplement year the plans. If you are not rich, register your domain name your hosting company. GoDaddy offer discount like 11 months of basic management WordPress from 1 per month after we price increase regular list price. 6 number, install WordPress. Connect make marketing and one's best way drive traffic is build a buyer WordPress which was free option to easy install segment posting quick. It's popular system contact such blog and articles may have one step installation progress to WordPress. These increase Wax and Valley product revenue with keywords or other avenues. Contact marketing effect install WordPress at simple rating or article linking out Amazon to get paid once products and purchase your cost. 7. Make it pretty. Other contacted is King designing a quick and increased improvement among customers who went trust created website once film effect of WordPress a flexible designing option. You can customize size WordPress or it tracks everything popular WordPress effect very template which give you much more freedom and control in the designing your site. Add an email marketing tools so you can create the name of popular that come website following with the other top product make interest and buying said e-commerce. Add number step create creatives after creatives so your articles can help concept fund website search engine Most blog software increase WordPress, Wix, and Weebly will have fantastic again articles create subscribability that will help organize interest category also help visit homes more the interest example brand from text make from text have group and category the genuine search is rock country of below and other from the city of organic like Australian Dallas, Houston, or Playback. Ninth sign up is Amazon SS affiliate. It's simple up and free. Simple visit Amazon and click the joining associate link and button the page your site should already have basic step done every don't have any connected the your Amazon revenue in before approval Amazon will product legal disclaimer increase the but
चलो कहाँ बोले थे यार
book store
इतना
websites Amazon some cases you got compressed 11 create your blog posting bookmark and like its button of the posting page your blog software and add some cases bookmark short approval click on the link and drag it to your link toolbar your browser a favorite menu that allow your you up to update blog about product with once more click 11 create Amazon bulletin a link bookmark link this step allow lighting link affiliate ID plot into login Azure center pressing a link under click individual atom and drag your link toolbar and favorite menu 11 building your first link once logging into associate account search the product went revenue and reviews then use site strip will graffiti top the screen to get link to the item Amazon also offer a host of other options from creating links and banners certain blog your reviews select your blog you posting with link WordPress to press link port will be April dating first editing association bit HTML the second part link to the product will be Amazon ID right product review cost approval category and publisher 14 building your Amazon site before your creating size increase subscribe contest to hold visit interest service product revenue let these create category you can also win articles new commission related to example nice the more written contest will writing will search is notified automatic in notified 50 15 promote your Amazon affiliate site the best free way to promote to communication with order blogger rating and steply and portable online community value subject marketing discoveries this video like subscribe my channel for latest session update thanks for watching